Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D models for exercise number 10 with Inventor software. First, in here I will create a start to the sketch. We can choose a top plane. We can create circle. Start from this point. I will set for diameter into 100. You can zoom extend by pressing middle mouse twice, and we can create again with diameter 90. You can create line from this point to the top. We create again line from this point to the top here. The next I will set distance between these two line objects, and we can set into 8. We also can set distance from this point into center point. In here we can set into 4. Now in here I will use a trim command to cut a line object and cut the circle. You can use a fillet command to fillet with radius 1. I will select this top corner, and now I will change in here for radius 2. You can click in the bottom here. Okay, you can select this object and press delete button. We can create circle again. Start from this point with diameter 90. Okay, you can click finish sketch. Now in here we can use extrusion tools. Okay, you can click extrude to extrude this region. We can set for distance into 5. Click OK. Now we can active for sketch 1. You can now click plus icon, right click in sketch and click visibility, so it will be shown in drawings. Use extrude again. We can extrude at this face, set into 5. And now we can copy this object, use this circular pattern. For feature, we can select this feature. And then for axis, we can select in here, this face. The next, I will set for items into 20. You can click OK. So it will be automatically duplicate in circular pattern. You also can right click again in sketch and uncheck for visibility. Select in this face. Okay, and we can create sketch again at this face. In here we can create circle. We can set for diameter into 50, and the next circle with a diameter 36. The next you can create again circle in this point. We can set for diameter into 10. You can set distance from the center point into here. You can set into 35. You can press enter. Click finish sketch. Now in here I will use extrude tool, select this region, and we can set into cut, so it will be create hole. Click OK. We can use a circular pattern again, and feature you can select this hole. For axis you can select in here. The next for item 6, and you can click OK. So it will be copy the hole. You can active again for sketch 2. Okay, click visibility. We can use extrude tools, select this face, and we can use cut to create hole. The next extrude again, select this region. We can set into 3, and you can click OK. Now you can hide for sketch 2 and check for visibility. And we already create this simple 3D model gear with the Inventor software. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.